The state-owned fuel retailers on Wednesday revised domestic fuel prices across the country by up to 30 paise. As per a notification from Indian Oil Corporation, the price for petrol has touched an all-time high of 87 rupees and 60 paise per litre, while 1 litre of diesel now retails at 77 rupees and 73 paise per litre in the national capital. Meanwhile, petrol prices in Mumbai shot past 94 rupees per litre, while diesel retailed at 84 rupees and 63 paise per litre. Fuel prices in India have been witnessing an upward revision since early January 2021, after remaining stagnant for over a month. In the past 13 years, petrol prices have increased by about 73%, while diesel prices have gone up by 122%. Prices for 1 barrel of crude oil have come down by over 23% over the same period. Fuel prices are changed every day by retailers and are based on the global benchmarks of crude oil rates and the changes in the foreign exchange rates. Maruti Suzuki's premium retail channel Nexa has crossed the 1.3 million sales milestone in India in just over 5 years since its launch. The Nexa range of vehicles have been contributing substantially to Maruti Suzuki's overall volumes, and last year it added over 2.3 lakh units to the overall sales. The Maruti Suzuki Baleno has been the best seller in the Nexa lineup, but models like the S-Cross Petrol and the new Ignis were updated last year and also added significantly to the volumes. The S-Cross has recorded a 104% growth in sales last year, while over 27,000 units of the Ignis were sold. Launched in 2015, the Nexa Premium Dealership Network hit the 5 lakh sales milestone in 2018, while the additional 8 lakh sales have been achieved in a little over 2 years since. Over the years, Nexa's share of contribution to total Maruti sales has increased from 5% to 19% in the current fiscal. Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India has announced that the company's new modern classic roadster, the Honda Highness CB350, has crossed the 10,000 unit sales milestone in India. Customer deliveries of the CB350 began on October 21, 2020, and the 10,000 sales number has been achieved in a little over 3 months since. The Highness CB350 is offered in 2 variants, Deluxe and Deluxe Pro in India. The model has been developed in India for domestic and export markets and is exclusively sold via the company's Big Wing dealership network. The company has over 18 Big Wing outlets that are operational, and it plans to add about 50 Big Wing dealerships by March 2021. Honda Two Wheelers India plans to add a new motorcycle based on the CB350 very soon and will officially reveal the new motorcycle on the 16th of February 2021.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.